Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher, and today we have a very curious student again.
That's me. Hi, humans. Hi, Stella. I'm ready to learn, but my brain feels like it needs a coffee.
Maybe you need a job first, Blip. Then you can earn money to buy coffee.
A job? Oh, that's our topic today. Blip learns about human jobs.
Exactly. Humans work in many different ways. Let's talk about what people do for work and learn some simple job words in English. Stella, do you know what a job is?
Is it something humans do every day?
Yes, a job is the work a person does to earn money. For example, I'm a teacher. My job is to teach English.
So I guess my job is student.
That's right, Blip. A student learns. That's your job for now.
Wow, I'm working already. Do I get paid in snacks?
Not yet, but maybe later. Let's learn some common jobs. Repeat after me, okay?
Okay, my voice is ready. Beep boop.
Great. Let's start. A doctor. A doctor helps sick people.
Doctor helps people. Got it. On my planet, we have mind healers. They fix your thoughts.
That sounds very useful. Next, a teacher. A teacher helps students learn.
Like you. You are a teacher.
Exactly. Next, a police officer. A police officer helps keep people safe.
So, like a galactic protector. Pew pew.
Not that kind of laser. Next, a firefighter. A firefighter stops fires and helps people.
Fire. Humans like fire too much. Cooking, camping, and now fighting it.
That's true. And here's another one. A chef. A chef cooks food in a restaurant.
Ooh, that's my favorite job. I could make cosmic pizza.
Cosmic pizza? What's in that?
Blue cheese, purple tomato, and moon pepper. Yum!
Sounds interesting. Now, let's talk about jobs in an office. Some people work with computers.
Ah, yes, the square brain machines.
Exactly. We have an office worker, someone who works in an office, or a programmer, someone who writes computer code.
So a programmer tells computers what to do?
Yes, they write code to make websites, games, or apps.
Cool! I could write code to make my spaceship play music.
That's a great idea. There's also a manager. A manager tells people what to do and helps the team.
So, like the captain of a spaceship.
Yes, just like that. A team captain, but in an office. Next, let's talk about jobs that build things.
Build? Like construction?
Exactly. A builder makes houses and buildings. An engineer designs machines or bridges. A mechanic fixes cars.
Oh, I need a mechanic for my spaceship. Last time I parked, one engine fell off.
Oh no, poor spaceship.
Yes, now it's a one-way trip. Only down.
You definitely need a good mechanic. Now, let's practice asking and answering about jobs.
Yes, ask me, Teacher Stella.
Okay. What do you do?
I am a student, and you are a teacher.
Good. What does a doctor do?
A doctor helps sick people.
Perfect. What does a chef do?
A chef cooks food and eats food and dreams about food.
Maybe just cooks, Blip. Now, let's learn where people work.
Ooh, like where do you go to do your job?
Exactly. A teacher works in a school. A doctor works in a hospital. A chef works in a restaurant. A firefighter works in a fire station. And an office worker works in an office.
So many places. On my planet, everyone works in the same place, the big thinking dome.
Sounds very efficient. Stella, do you think humans like their jobs?
Some look happy, some look sleepy. Maybe they need snacks.
Maybe, but yes, some people love their jobs because they help others, create things, or learn new skills.
I think I'd like a job that helps people too. Maybe a language helper alien. I teach English and alien at the same time.
That's a wonderful idea, Blip. We could be co-teachers.
The Alien English Teachers. Sounds like a new show.
Humans usually work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
That's 8 hours. Do they not nap in between?
Not usually, but they take short breaks, maybe for lunch or coffee.
If I worked that long, I'd need 12 snacks and 3 naps.
I think your work style is more relaxed. Let's practice a small conversation. Pretend you're at a party and you meet a human.
Okay, party mode on.
The human says, "Hi, what do you do?"
Hello, I'm Blip. I'm a student. I learn English on Earth. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Want a moon cookie?
Always. Let's review the new words from today. Repeat after me, okay?
Ready?
Job, doctor, teacher, police officer, firefighter, chef, office worker, programmer, manager, builder, engineer, mechanic, student, school, hospital, restaurant, office, fire station.
Job, doctor, teacher. Wow, that's a lot of jobs. My memory chip is full.
You're doing great, Blip. And that's all for today's episode. Blip learns about human jobs.
Now I know what humans do all day. But what about aliens? Do we get weekends too?
I hope so. Everyone needs rest after a good week of work.
Thank you, Stella. Maybe next time we can learn about school life.
That sounds perfect for our next episode, Blip. We'll talk about school, study, and fun on Earth.
Yay! I'll bring my notebook and my cosmic snacks.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.